Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great today. I'm going to teach mastering pronouns with simple tricks to avoid confusion and improve clarity. The very first one we learn, pronoun confusion. What is it? Pronoun confusion happens when it's unclear which noun the pronoun refers to or when the wrong pronoun is used. This can confuse the listener or reader about who or what is being talked about. Pronouns are supposed to replace nouns like people, places, or things, but if not used properly, they can create misunderstandings. Let's move ahead on types of pronouns that cause confusion. Personal pronouns refers to specific people or things. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Confusion in these pronouns is using the wrong gender or unclear subject. For example, John told Mike he was late. Who was late, John or Mike? Possessive pronouns show ownership. For example, my, yours, his, her, its, our, their. Confusion, misplacing the pronoun, which leads to ambiguity. For example, Sarah gave her book to Emily, but she didn't like it. Who didn't like the book? Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. Examples of reflexive pronouns: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourselves, themselves. Confusion when reflexive pronouns are used incorrectly or unnecessarily. For example, he gave the present to myself. Should be to me. Indefinite pronouns don't refer to a specific noun. Examples: someone, anybody, none, all, some. Confusion. They can be vague if not paired with context. For example, someone called, but they didn't leave a message. Who is they? Now let's move ahead on common confusion and examples. Unclear pronoun reference. Example: when Sarah saw her friend, she waved. Confusion. Is she referring to Sarah or her friend? Solution. Make the subject clear. When Sarah saw her friend, Sarah waved. Gender confusion. Example: Alex met their teacher and he told them about the project. Confusion. Who is he, Alex or the teacher? Solution. Be specific about who. He refers to. Singular versus plural pronouns. Example: the team played their best. Confusion. Team is singular, but there is plural. Solution. Use the correct pronoun. The team played its best. Now let's move ahead on trick to avoid pronoun confusion. Noun first, pronoun second. Here's a simple trick. Always introduce the noun clearly before using a pronoun. When you are speaking or writing, ask yourself, can the reader easily tell who or what the pronoun is referring to? If not, clarify by repeating the pronoun. For example, instead of John and Mike were late, but he didn't apologize. Say, John and Mike were late, but John didn't apologize. Now let's move ahead on how to remember correct pronoun usage. Match is trick. Use the match trick to remember how to use pronouns correctly. Match the pronoun with its noun. Always make sure the pronoun refers to a specific noun, person, place, or thing. Avoid ambiguous references. If it's unclear who or what the pronoun refers to, use the noun again for clarity. Time to clarify. When in doubt, repeat the pronoun before using the pronoun. Consistent number and gender. Make sure pronouns match in singular, plural, and gender. Help with context. Use surrounding sentences or additional information to provide context. Now let's move ahead on examples of pronouns in clear sentences. Personal pronouns. Confusing. Jim told Bob he was late. Clear. Jim told Bob that Bob was late. Possessive pronouns. Confusing. They found their dog, but he was scared. Clear. The neighbors found their dog, but the dog was scared. Reflexive pronouns. Confusing. I made the cake myself for her. Clear. I made the cake for her myself. Indefinite pronouns. Confusing. Someone left their bag and they didn't come back for it. Clear. Someone left their bag, but the owner didn't return for it. Summary. Pronoun confusion happens when it's unclear who or what the pronoun is referring to. Always introduce the noun clearly before using a pronoun. Use the match trick. Match pronouns with nouns. Avoid ambiguous references. Time to clarify. Consistent number and gender. Help with context. With these steps, you will avoid confusion and keep your sentences clear and easy to understand. I hope you got it. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.